The New York City Apartment Management Checklist presents what you need to know about pet law. Did you know that owners of New York City buildings with 3 or more apartments are subject to the New York City pet law, and that any building owner may be subject to a claim based on an animal attack at its building? It's true. 3 more important things to know about pet law. If a tenant has kept a pet openly for at least 3 months without objection by an owner of a building containing 3 or more apartments, a no pet clause in the tenant's lease is deemed waived. The pet law may not apply if a tenant can prove that he or she was entitled to keep a dog or other animal for therapeutic reasons. An owner who knows of the pet's vicious tendencies and does nothing to remove the pet may be sued for negligence. For more on pet law and 50 other important topics for apartment building owners and managers, visit www.vendomerealestatemedia.com and click on the 2018 New York City Apartment Management Checklist.